Hey everyone, welcome back. Brand new fresh episode from Pipe Doctor. We just finished up this installation of a Lancaster water treatment system for a whole house. That's when I was back up a little bit. It's hard to tell, but it's roughly about 4 feet tall, has a digital control, gets plugged into AC 110 volts. Let me show you the piping configuration. This blue line here is the discharge waste line. That goes into this trap and stand pipe that we set up. Set that up there. We cut in this 4x2 TY here on this 4-inch cast iron waste stack. And we have our water lines. It's kind of hard to see. It's a very tight spot here, but we made it fit in here. This is incoming domestic water. Right here is a bypass valve. So if we ever need to isolate this unit right here from the rest of the house, we could just close the two valves. This one and that one. Open this one up and restore service to the property. So when water comes through here, up and around, we use 3/4 inch press fittings from Viega. Goes into the manifold here through the automatic backwash water filtration filter and through. So this filter operates like a pool filter. And it automatically backwashes. So like a pool filter, which you have to manually set to backwash every 5 to 7 days based on pressure, this automatically does it. Right now it's set to regenerate on every 7-day basis, and it runs for roughly 14 minutes. Backwashing all of the minerals that are in here. There are 5 layers of minerals that are in here, totaling about 210 pounds, 220 pounds. And these minerals act as the purification method. There's no need to change cartridges. There's no maintenance on this whatsoever, other than setting it and forget it. You know, as long as we have a good and reliable drain, which we have there, brand new, with a nice big standpipe there, this water filter will offer this client years of trouble-free service and nice filtered, treated water for their domestic purposes. You know, the showers, the tubs, the laundry, sinks, etc. You know, filling up a bathtub, instead of having that tint of brown now it'll be crystal clear. So this is definitely a good improvement from this. So if you're interested in a water filtration system from us, or interested in just getting more information, send us an email. You can contact me at mike@pipedoc.net, and I would be glad to send you some information and answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day.